This one's a little bit filthy. 6 years of having this channel, I haven't done a dirty mac and cheese. I'm talking about those little pots that you get in Waitrose or other supermarkets, and you pierce the film and you put it in the microwave for 3 minutes, and then it's just like heaven. That's the flavour profile for mac and cheese we're going for today.
In a large saucepan, you want to melt 120 grams of unsalted butter over a medium heat. Once it's melted, whisk in 70 grams of plain flour to create a roux. Cook for about 2 minutes, stirring constantly until the mixture turns golden brown. Now we're going to gradually pour in 1 litre of whole milk. Pour a little bit in, whisk, pour a little bit in, whisk. We're going to avoid lumps this way. Take the temperature to low and add in a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a quarter teaspoon of paprika. Then it's in with the cheese. I've got 400 grams of grated cheddar cheese and 50 grams of parmesan. Meanwhile, cook 500 grams of dried macaroni pasta until just before al dente. We still want a good amount of bite because it is going to soften more as you bake it in the oven. Then you're going to combine your macaroni with your cheese mixture to a baking dish. Trust the process. You might be thinking there's too much sauce and it's too loose, but just you wait. Sprinkle on some more cheese if you can handle it, and then bake in a preheated oven at 190 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until the top is golden brown and bubbling. Oozy and unctuous, and it's just comfort food at its finest.
Snuggle, snuggle, bowl, snuggle.